Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jazz and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and if this is not your first time, welcome back. So today you guys, I have a headband wig, and I know a lot of y'all are like, ew, a headband wig, and I know a lot of y'all have already seen these headband wigs everywhere, but I was just like, you know what, let me try it. So I was lucky enough to get someone to send me one. This company called Unice or Unice hair sent me this headband wig, you guys, and I was so excited because I was just like, oh my god, a headband wig. So as you can see, it is this long 18-inch blonde highlighted headband wig, and as you can see, the headband is right here in the front, and then on the inside here we have 4 combs, which is 1 right here in the front, 2 on the side, and then 1 right here at the back of the headband wig. And y'all, it has this velcro right here that snaps on the other side, and it's super convenient. That's all I can say, because I have worn this wig. I did try it on, and this is not the normal state that it does come in. It was silky straight, but I did have to wash this wig, and I'm gonna put a picture right here so y'all can see why I had to wash this wig. But y'all, I'm in love with it. It is super duper soft. I mean, it's no shedding. I think this is the best wig that I've ever had because it's so convenient, and I ain't gotta be like trying to worry about gluing it down, because your girl is not the best when it comes to bleaching, plucking, and gluing and melting lace and all of that. You know, I'm not good at that. Like, I'm just gonna be straightforward with you. I'm not good with it. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it goes on and how effortless it is, and it literally takes like not even 5 minutes to put on. So as you can see, this is the box right here. On the inside of the box, it came with this headband, which is not really something that I would wear, honestly. And then it also came with this headband right here, and this is also another headband that I probably would not wear, but they are super cute. And then it did come with a wig cap, which I do have on my head right now. And as you can see, I did try to do something with my little baby hairs, but I'm not a big baby hair fan. I feel like I'm in my 30s. I don't really need baby hairs, or what am I doing with baby hairs? Like, period. I don't know. But it also comes with this card and lets you know about the instructions and the care for the wig as well. But you guys, I'm in love with this wig, and yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna whirl it around here like so, and if it does look poofy, my bun is in the back, so y'all, it is a little big because my hair is super poofy. But I'm gonna take the clamp and just clip it right here by under the stocking cap, as you can see. So a little bit of my hair is hanging out of this wig. I'm gonna lift this hair up. I normally put it to the side just so it's not in the way when I put the velcro on, but as you can see, I'm gonna take both ends of the wig and velcro it like such. And y'all, it's secure back there. It's not coming off. As you can see, like, it's stuck. It's not going anywhere. And as you can see, you can either have the headband flat like this and it cover up all of your hair, but your girl got a forehead on her. Okay, I got a dome piece, so I just go ahead and take the headband and fold it back, as you can see, so some of my hairs are out. And then what I'm gonna do is just pull it out like such. And y'all, look at this. It looks like my hair. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like, it just looks like I got a little band right here, but it's super cute. It's super thick, like, yes. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with a different headband, because I'm probably not going to wear that headband. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, but this is one of my other headbands that I have purchased from another company, and y'all, look at it. Oh my god, like, y'all, period looks like my hair. So excited about that. But ooh, we're gonna try it on with one of the headbands that they sent me, and I'm gonna try it on with this pink headband since I do have on pink. But I'm just gonna take it over my head like such, pull the hair out, Make sure I ain't got no hair in my face because I feel it. Take it over my hoops and just put it over the black headband so it's not showing. And there you have it, y'all. I don't want to make sure it's not showing, but y'all look at that. And I know I got a head, I got a faux head, y'all, but I think it's so cute. That's the back. And I think I want to put some curls in this just so you guys can see what it looks like, you know, curled or whatever. I don't even know how it looks curled, so yeah, we're just gonna curl it. Okay guys, as you can see, I curled this hair and it had no problems with curling. I didn't really curl it too tight because I don't like super tight curls, but as you can see, this 18-inch is like super long. It really like comes down here to my shoulder, as you can see, but it is so cute. Like, oh my god, this headband wig right here is just the bomb.com. Like, I love it. You can't even tell me this is not my hair because it looks exactly like my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how versatile this wig really is and how many different styles you can wear this wig in, because y'all, it's so many different ways. So you could have it down like in a low ponytail like this. That would be super cute. You could also put your little ponytail at the top, so y'all can see how that looks. But y'all, look at this. Like, oh my god. Little ponytail at the top. I'm feeling real young right now. Then you could take it, put it all in a ponytail. Make sure I grab all the hair up. Like such, which I love that, y'all. Ooh, period. Or you could wrap it around and wear it in a bun. Like, y'all can't tell me this is not thebomb.com, like, period. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check this wig company out. All the details of this wig will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, don't forget to what? Come back, come back, come back. Bye, y'all.